Okay, so we are walking into Dun River Falls, and it's my crew of boys.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where's my man at?
Huh?
Where's my man? Here's my man, brother. Here's my man, cousin. There's my man, cousin.
Chop move.
But the fam jam.
You really hard, man, yeah?
Yes, sir. And we're
Yes,
gonna go
sir.
swimming in the falls.
Yes,
Can't
sir.
wait.
Wicked, yeah.
That car is called the Royal Crown. The Royal Crown. Check it out. On the front, the emblem is a crown. It's a gorgeous car. I could drive one of them. Over there, you got all the tour buses. Left, right, and center. People coming from hotels. You name it. They're coming from all over the place. I ever got a good looking bunch of boys with me. And they've been surrounding me all 2 weeks so far. Lucky gal. You are now talking to Miss Trin. Welcome to Miss Trin's Paradise. Can't wait to see the walk-in entrance. It's gonna just blow my mind. Here's a sneak peek. Can you see all that through the trees, y'all? We're gonna go in and get changed, and then once I come out, I'll be right back. More video. Bye.